Guys, I'm sorry about this, but this video is kind of sideways, so, yep. Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening up this Pikachu Vmax Special Collection Crown Zenith Pokemon Trading Card Game Special Collection box. I just said too much. Anyways, this contains one etched foil promo card featuring Pikachu VMAX, one foil promo card featuring Pikachu V, one oversized promo card featuring Pikachu VMAX, 5 Pokemon TCG Crown Zenith booster packs, and a code card. No one cares about the code card unless you do the online game. And yeah, let's get into this. I'm pretty excited. It was $40 actually, so yeah. I'm gonna have to open this. Let me see. We're hoping to get some of those pretty nice cards, like pretty cool, I guess. I'm not sure. But I don't really know a lot of cards in this set, so honestly, I never even researched. I just almost done. Okay, almost done. Come on, please. Oh god, I need my scissors. Oh, this is hard, guys. Like, this is very hard. Open. And guys, if I get a good card and I don't react to that, it's probably because I don't even know like a lot of cards in this set. So yeah. Again, we're opening up Crown Zenith booster packs. It's the last set in Sword and Shield era until we're going to Scarlet and Violet. Honestly, I'm pretty excited. EXs are coming back. It's a pretty dramatic news, I guess I would say. And I just started like 3 years ago when Sword and Shield started, so I haven't experienced pulling an EX. I have to, but those are just like promo or like from sets and stuff. Like I haven't pulled them. Anyways, please open. Guys, I know this is taking a long time, but oh, yes, it's done. Okay. Yes, sir. Let me do it like that so you guys can see. We got the Pikachu VMAX. Look at this bad boy. It's so cute. It's so chubby. Okay, let's put that to the side. Where are the other ones? We're gonna reveal that later. Please get out. Oh my. Okay, I'll show those later. How do these come out? Please come out! Those... Oh, there. Oh, okay. That was easy. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of garbage. Oh no, my Pikachu VMAX. Oversized Pikachu VMAX. Okay, there's this. This is very cute. Pikachu V promo card. It is very cute. I'm surprised it does that much damage. And Pikachu VMAX. Same card, but it's just normal sized. Honestly, this is very cute. I love this VMAX. Guys, I'm very excited for today's opening. We got 5. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 Crown Zenith booster packs. Let's get into this. Should I do... Wait. Okay. I'm gonna get into this one first. I am very excited! Woohoo! I have not opened the setup yet. So... pretty excited for today's opening. Okay. Wait, I hope... Okay, so this is a white code card. board, and I hope these are not like, if this is like not copied and these are like actual packs, then we have something good. Let's do this. I'm gonna have to do it like this because I can't, like, this is facing me. Anyways, we got energy. I'm gonna have to do it like this, guys. Sorry. Okay, I'll just do it like this. Energy. Shaman. Oh my goodness, this is hard. What? Shaman. Okay, I don't know what that is. Luxio. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Emolga. Scyther. Starly. Aeron. Oh my god! Oh my god! I forgot what this is, but that is cool. And Whaler. Ooh. Okay, I don't have any sleeves. I'm so sad. Oh, that's so cool. It appears. I don't know what this is. I forgot its name. I'm like, oh, that's in good condition too. That is cool. Okay. Our good cards over there. We're gonna put our normal cards over there. And let's get into our second card pack. Wow. First pack banger, I guess. It's not a banger, but it's a good card. Wow. These are definitely definitely not like the original. I mean, like they're. Oh, matter. Let's just get into this. I'm pretty excited. Like I said already, psychic energy. I should have guessed the energy. I want to guess it next time. I promise. Luxio again. Luxio, you shall bring good luck. Friend in this one. Ultra Ball. Okay, that is a pretty funky looking. Poniard, I guess. Corpish. Shinx. I hope you can see this. I'm not even sure you can see this. Whalmer. Wait, let me see if this is recording. Oh, that is recording for sure, and you guys can probably see that. Whalmer. Wait, oh, I just said Whalmer. Galarian Mouth. Oh my god! Lunatone! Oh, is this a pure Hollow? No, it's probably not. But it's a hollow. That's cool. What? Can you build this? How do you build this? It looks like you can build it. You can build this? I don't know. No, you cannot build this. I'm pretty sure you cannot build this. Anyways, oh my goodness, we got a Lunatone? Guys, look at this. Come on. Come on. This is good. I don't know what these are called again. They say GG, but I'm not sure what they actually are. So my apologies. Okay, that's good. Guys, second pack of banger. Like I said, it's not banger, but it's good. I'm happy. Get out. Okay, this trash is turning the pile. I'm gonna have to put you guys back. This. Yeah. And then I'm gonna have to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to do this. I have to do that. Oh, I should have guessed the energy. chin. What? Pink your chin. Okay, oddish. Coughing. Sunkern. Valerian. Mr. Meme. Okay, it's mine. It's mine. It's not meme. Okay. Finally, it's not a GG, whatever it is. Procork and a Yon Mega. Hey, guys, we have 2 more packs. Let's see. This better be good. This better be good. I better get a good card. Better get something. I picked this one because I'm feeling the good vibes. Guess the energy, guys. Leaf energy. Yes! Okay, that is good luck. That is good luck, guys. I guess leaf energy. That is good luck. I'm telling you. Leaf energy, that is good luck. Unless it's leaf energy. Oh my goodness, it's a leaf energy Pokemon. I'm telling you, this pack has good vibes. Energy. I hope so. No, it does. Don't stay negative. Spread some positivity in this world. Carnivine. Find them in sweet. Shaman. Well, let's just get to the good part. Beyond next. Jetot. Love Disc. Purloin. Rock Ruff. Oh my god! Mew! Heelless? Oh, that's cool. That's sick. Amazing. Guys, we're getting these GGs. Like so many. I told you there was something. Like is that a Galarian Rapidash, I think? Yeah. There's a Cramorant, some Squirrel dudes, Noctowl. Sleeping in the middle. That's so peaceful. Okay. Guys, I am feeling good vibes about this pack, and I promise you, we will pull something good from this pack. You do me good. Okay. Let me open this up. Oh man. Come on. Okay. Okay, guys, last pack magic. I will do the real breaking neat thing. I can't do the drum roll part. Maybe I can actually. I hope I can. Where's my drummer? Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna do the 4 trick. Guys, I'm gonna guess the energy. Fighting energy. Ah, come on, steel energy. Okay, well, I am really feeling good vibes in this. I promise. Please. Okay. Bisharp. Rescue carrier. Pinch your chin. Okay, that just sounds funny. Starly. Riolu. Aeron. Rock Ruff. Seal. Shaman. And Corner family. We are ending on. Drum roll, please. Sorry, the drummer is not here. If you don't, maybe the drummer's not here. We are ending on Oranguru. Okay, well, that was fun, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a great time. And this is cool. This is cool. I don't even know what this is, but I'm not sure what these are called. They look cool, that's for sure. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. As always, wait, come on. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great time. I'll see you next time.